knowledge of Ayurveda. Like, my dear friends, Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old traditional system of medicine that originated in India, emphasizing holistic well-being and balance in life. Its significance lies in its unique approach to health, focusing on prevention, natural remedies, and personalized care. I would like to highlight some of the key significance of Ayurveda, like its holistic approach. Ayurveda treats the whole person, body, mind, spirit, recognizing that health is harmonious balance of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of life. Personalized care. Ayurvedic practitioners tailor treatments to an individual's unique constitution or dosa, addressing root cause of health issues rather than just alleviating symptoms. Ayurveda emphasizes maintaining good health through lifestyle choices, dietary habits, and daily routines to prevent diseases. Natural healing. Ayurvedic treatments often involve natural substances like herbs, minerals, and therapeutic oils, minimizing the risk of adverse side effects. Mind-body connection. Ayurveda recognizes the intricate connection between the mind and body, incorporating practices like meditation, yoga, mindfulness, and promote mental clarity and emotional well-being.